guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. You're thinking about, oh, is she an alcoholic? No, I'm not. No, I just like to have my little wine when I'm doing something, cooking. Yeah, you know the drill. Anyway, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. 10. Oh my god, I did 10 videos. Who am I? Like, this consistency need to continue until like all the time, and next year, the whole of next year. Anyway, you know my hair. Yeah, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. We are cooking. I have potatoes on the stove. We are going to grill potatoes with cheese. Don't worry, today we're going to be out of the house. Don't worry about it. We are stepping out of the house because I know this kitchen is boring and you don't want to be like seeing me filming in the kitchen like all the time. So I have some pork ribs that I'm cooking today, and it's from the brand, is it BRM? It's pork loins. It's already cooked, so you just put it in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes, you know, and then turn it over, and then just put a little bit of sauce. But if you need more spice, you can add your own spice to it, but I will see. So I'm having this and maybe some salads, and then potatoes. So we are cooking this. I'm cooking this first, then I will prep the potatoes, and then yeah, so let's get into it. Yeah.
Là sul veggimale che veggimo la bomba totale ma con il succo ma con il azul e veggimo la bomba
Okay guys, we are out of the house now. We are going around Mahe. We are going around Mahe. Sorry, my uncle is a little bit rude. But he's okay. He's friendly. We are going around Mahe. Mahe to Oli.
bezek sa ou zapa. Konen filme men.
We are going around my head. Then I'm going probably to my mom's house because I need to see my mom for a few minutes. I miss my mom. Okay, we'll talk, guys, because I have a lot of haters in this car. We'll talk later.
Be one haters ou men. Pou li pweme haters yo wen ou men. Bez vida, mou finye pou la.
Oli Joe.
Pa kou do la. Ako sou kou la moti tout hade va. Yon get so mama bo mate. Yon mote kriya. Mo wade li desani yon dik mo wade lo to. I call mo. I si mo. Be ou gan fade tout. Mo di wa li kou mama.
Ou konen ki call mo ki jime pe kas mo telefon kay mo lo call 4 call.
Di mo yek de.
O zet pa biche call mo li. Ou konen ki di mo? Desan vin get koto jepe van ki so bo masi.
Oui, dis-moi, puis là-bas, et ça m'a dit quoi, dis-moi, dis-moi,
tout ça là, tu capable dire, moi, on peut venir là.
Il dit, moi, je vais dans 2 minutes. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a là?
Dans 2 minutes?
Oui, depuis 10 heures.
Je dis pas.
Mon téléphone là.
Ça y m'a quoi, hein?
Le responsable va la faire de votre ami. Téléphone, on est arrivé. On a rasé, on sort, on a le vélo. On a ouvert la bière, on a dit les choses, on a fait on boit pour la rivière. Après, là, il vient à me mettre dans ça, moi, il passe sur des dallons. Présent, mon lèvre, je me fais le tout de quelques pédales.
We have our ribs, potatoes, the beach. Kid lomo.
Il a eu l'eau là?
Lomo non? Iwamo?
Non. Là où? Quand tu les vois, c'est guide les pieds là.
Là, il est là.
Ah, voilà. On met l'eau marque, tout comme si c'est l'eau. Ben, pour l'eau marque, on va fouiller là.
C'est lomo.
Ah, pour l'eau.
Mon qui que ta caméra?
Comme ça, on va y rentrer.
Non, mais moi, j'ai filmé, faire vidéo, moi, j'ai une caméra pour moi.
Et là, ouais, c'est couillon. Ah oui, ça.
Il met un bateau là-bas.
Oui.
J'ai une caméra. Là, il a.
Bon, un bateau là-bas.
Hein?
Ah, ouais. Ça comme la banane. Oui, il faut filmer moi ou?
Ben oui ou après?
Là, là.
Ok.
Aqui tá através o assistir atié.
Wow, tchè? Ben ou? Kon kek technicien aussi, ouais. Mais des bouts là, on peut aller. Mais pas de mon caméra, ils vont, hein?
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is
It's a piece of coral comes from God.
all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
This is one. Ah, se vai por mano. This is for the scientists and all that. This is for
Si ce phone sonne des fois, il paraît bon là, que mon frère, laisse aller, y'en a l'autre. Si le
Yain, camera.
il peut casser ta tête.
Okay, that's how we got that place on that.
Jaim. Jalo baba. Jalo. Tata. Tata. Jaim. Ala jal tata. Lala. Lala. Tata.
Usa dessa jararinha ali, vamos ver.
Ivo, get that. See, happy New Year. Vamos fazer uma buzoina.
Sabe tirou o maca no ar, você.
We're home from the beach and just getting ready to go to the casino. I'm not getting dressed, just putting on some lip gloss. Here's my cards. Olha o caro. Okay. That's all? That's all? Okay. Akali. Okay. I'll put one more content because I'm doing Vlogmas until the 25th of December. You know? When I vlog, baby, can you believe when I vlog number 10 videos, there's 15 more I need to film.
Nice.
Hey, hey, get more. There's 15 more videos I need to film for
Why?
Christmas.
Why 15 more?
Because it's Vlogmas.
That's right.
This is what the grand cars.
I haven't seen your song.
Thank you.
This is your questionnaire for the
I think. You want to say Louis? Oui, donne-le même. Pandemon mo something simple, no more savannah. Yeah, what's up now? What my vegetable? BNG. The same way. Hello. Do you have BNG? BNG, do you have which brand do you have for BNG? Yeah, BNG. That's all? Sorry? No. That's all? Oh, green ash. This is red, no? No, do you have white? Okay, I'll have white. No, that's all. Bangga isot. Cheese again. Cheese. Cheese again. Cheese too long. Long life. Cheese. Hidup indah nih. Okay, so we are the Grand Cars. Casino. And we are watching food. And I'm having my wine. Vai, vai daí ali.
Ah, tá.
O gasolina, não? Vai lá ver.
Que deu?
Fica de futebol de male.
Não, não. fix that. Show to play there is a problem.
Maybe I have so much work that needs to get done that not everything got done, but I got things done. If that makes sense. So a little bit productive. Hi guys. Sorry. I just came on here to end this video. Yesterday was late. I couldn't close the video last night because I was like shipsy. I was, so I came on here to just end this video. I hope you have enjoyed this vlogmas. See you in the next one. Like, see you tomorrow in vlogmas 10. We are late. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.